Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken rod. First, you need to acquire a specific fishing rod, which is a prerequisite for the Kraken rod. This initial rod demands a high level of fishing expertise, so make sure your skill is up to the task. Once you have this foundational rod, you can proceed to the next crucial steps in your quest for the legendary Kraken rod. Next, you'll need to gather a very special type of bait. This isn't just any bait. It's crafted from rare materials found only in certain areas. Once your bait is ready, head to the designated deep-sea fishing spot. This location is known for its challenging conditions and the elusive creatures that reside there, making it the only place to find what you seek. When you cast your line in the deep-sea location with your special bait, be prepared for an encounter with the Kraken. This legendary creature is a formidable opponent, and catching it will require patience and skill. You should be ready for a lengthy battle, employing all your best fishing techniques to wear it down. Success depends on your persistence and mastery. After successfully defeating the Kraken, it will drop a very rare and unique item. Take this precious item to a specific non-player character, or NPC, known for their legendary crafting abilities. This NPC will then use the item to forge your very own Kraken rod. Congratulations, you've earned one of the most powerful fishing tools available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.